Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to part 2 of the Atleta Incentivised Testnet. So yesterday we did the part 1 and I promised to release the part 2 today. So if you are coming across this video for the first time, I will suggest you stop, go and watch the part 1 first and then come back to this one. So I'll put the link to the part 1 in the comment section. Look for the pinned comment, you'll find the link there. Or check the description of this video. I'm also going to put the link there. So once you have finished watching part 1, then you can come back to this one and then you can now do this interaction. So log into the testnet website and then connect your MetaMask wallet. I am sorry if I'm not audible enough. I'm recording this voiceover in the middle of the night, so please bear with me. So after connecting your wallet, you are going to sign and you need to be on the Atleta Olympia network. So tap on Atleta Olympia. Then switch network. Now, if you are on PC, you are going to find this option at the top of your screen, but since I am on mobile, it is at the bottom, and where we are going is Polkadot-Explorer. So tap on Polkadot-Explorer. What we want to do on the Polkadot-Explorer is to create a Polkadot wallet address without having to download any app. So once the page has finished loading, you want to find the settings tab. Every option that we need is found at the top of my screen. So tap on settings and then look for account options under settings. This is it right here. Now this is account options right here, and you want to tap on allow local in-browser account storage. Once you tap on it, then tap on save. Next up, you want to go to the account tab. It is also at the top of the screen. Tap on that drop down and then choose accounts from that drop down. Now once you choose this, tap on account. You can see account beside that plus icon. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see your seed phrase that has been generated for you, where I painted in red. Write your seed phrase down on a piece of paper, then tap on I have saved my mnemonic seed safely, then tap on next. Now enter an account name for the seed phrase that has been generated for you and enter your password, then repeat your password. So for mine, I wrote test polka. Now tap on next. Tap on next again and then tap on save. Once you save your details, it is going to automatically back up on your device by downloading a JSON file, but I could not download mine because my recorder was floating on the screen, so I have to stop this video, download the file, then come back once I was done downloading. So tap on your account ID, that's test polka. Once you tap on it, your account menu will be shown at the right side. Then tap on copy icon to copy your wallet address. Now, you would notice that there is no funds on this wallet that we created yet. We are going to open up our MetaMask now. In the previous video, we already claimed tokens from Faucet. So if you haven't watched it or you don't know how to get your test tokens, I will suggest you go back to watch the part 1. I'm going to tap on send, and the test tokens that we claimed to our MetaMask wallet in the previous video, we are going to be sending some of it into this Polkadot wallet address that we created. The funds have been sent successfully. Now let's go back to Polkadot-Explorer. And if you tap on that account ID again, let's zoom in. Now you can see that the funds have arrived. Next up, we are going to the governance tab at the top of the screen. Tap on that drop down. and you are going to tap on pre-images. Now tap on add pre-image. There is a drop down at the left side. Tap on that drop down and then choose faucet. Look for faucet and then choose it. Here is faucet. Tap on it. Now in the slot for who, there is a drop down. Tap on that drop down and then you are going to choose your account ID. Your account ID is whatever name that you use to name your wallet. Remember, I used test poker, so I'll tap on test poker. In the slot for amount, you are going to enter 5 million. Leave your pre-image hash and pre-image length as it is and then tap on submit. Tap on submit pre-image. Now when you submit your pre-image, allow the page to load. You are going to enter your password, the one that you used when you were creating this account. Once you've done that, tap on sign and submit again. Then if you look at my screen, you'll see that the transaction is successful and pre-image hash has been generated for you. Tap on the copy icon to copy the hash. And then we are going back to the governance tab. From the governance drop-down, choose democracy. Allow the page to load completely. Then, somewhere at the top right, look for Submit Proposal. Tap on it. Now, on the box for pre-image hash, paste the hash that was generated from your previous transaction. Your locked balance should be 100, minimum deposit 100. Now tap on Submit Proposal. The page would load, allow it to load. Now enter your account password again, then tap on Sign and Submit. Transaction successful. So that is all about creating a Polkadot wallet right from Polkadot-Explorer. This task does not give you any XP, unlike the ones that we did in the previous video where you get XP for each task that you complete. This one doesn't give you any XP, so you may want to do it just one time and then leave it. However, for the other tasks in the previous video, you want to do them as often as you can. When a project is point-based, then you want to do everything you can to earn as many points as you can earn, because the more points that you have, the more airdrop allocations that you can expect to receive. So you can do it every now and then, a couple of days a week, as often as you can, just to get as many XP as you can get. If you have any question, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. If you have found value, then do like this video and also subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.